Hey guys, this is Bronwyn with Realty One Group located here in beautiful Lake Havasu City. Today we will be viewing 1755 North Lake Havasu Avenue. This home really has one of the best locations, being just a few doors down from the open desert for all of your off-roading activities. The home also has a U-shaped driveway, providing for a lot of extra parking and turning around a boat. This fully furnished property has been fully remodeled in 2021, showcasing a modern and contemporary design. Highlighted here, we have new tile floors throughout, meaning no carpets, new countertops in the kitchen, new lighting fixtures and ceiling fans. This stone countertop is just so beautiful and a timeless look. This kitchen is complete with freshly painted cabinetry, new appliances, this great big farm sink, and beautiful hexagon tile backsplash. This home is clean and updated, but still retains plenty of its character. From almost every room in this house, you can see out the windows and the French doors to this brand new swimming pool and lake views. There's plenty of room here for full-sized furniture, for an extra long dining table. This home gets so much great natural light. Now we're going to check out the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms this home has to offer. Again, this is all fully furnished, fully stocked, and ready to go. The bathrooms are freshly updated. This home also has new baseboards, interior and exterior paint, so much more. The home is currently being used as an Airbnb, so this is the 2nd bedroom with some bunk beds and a good-sized closet. I love the dark trim on the baseboards and the doors. It really highlights that more modern, high contrast look. This is the primary suite. It is so beautiful and peaceful in here. You have your own set of French doors that go out to the covered patio where you can enjoy the views of your swimming pool. And this is the primary ensuite bathroom. We have matching floor tiles, matching shower tiles, and of course updated vanities to match. Now we are stepping into the attached 2-car garage. This is where our laundry hookups are. This is where the hot water tank, as well as the water softener unit, are located. This home has a new pool, as I said before, a new roof, and new dual pane windows that were just installed last year. One of the best parts about this property is this sweeping rear lake view from the backyard. Looking out towards the mouth of the river, this backyard is private, but you still get that lake view. This home is also located just around the corner from Windsor Launch Ramp. It could be a great investment property, vacation home, or full-time residence. and we won't forget about all the additional side parking that this home has to offer as well. For more information or for a private showing, please contact me. Hope to see you.